Story time on how this Lakers player cheated on his girlfriend.
So this happened back in January. I just got out of a breakup a few months prior, and I saw that there was a basketball game happening in Dallas. It was a Mavericks-Lakers game. So I Googled the Lakers roster, and I went ahead and followed this one dude that stuck out to me and that was super cute. At the time, he didn't have any pictures of him and his girl on his page, so I assumed that he was single. Why did this man follow me back right away? And he messaged me like, hey, are you living in Dallas or are you from there? Like, what's up? Where you stay? I was like, yeah, I live in Dallas. He was like, bet. He was like, I'm hopping on the plane right now. We're on the way to Dallas, but we play tomorrow night. But I gotta see you tonight. I'm like, okay, bet. He also said that he was gonna throw me some tickets to go to the game. I told him I'd probably just go alone, so he just sent me one. Later that night comes, he ordered me a black truck, and I went to the hotel that the Lakers were staying at. I was so scared to pull up to the hotel because one thing about players, if they're staying in a hotel while on an away game, there's gonna be security downstairs. Like, not everybody can just walk in the hotel. Why did I go in the hotel and I had to tell the lady his name, what room number he was in, I had to give her my ID, I had to give her my full name, I had to sign. Like, I was like, oh my goodness, like, this is a big footprint. I didn't think anything of it though. I just thought it was normal, like, you know, regulations. This was my first time meeting him, so whenever I got upstairs, I was super nervous, but everything was pretty cool, you know. At first, we were listening to music, we were talking, getting to know each other, you know. He was opening up, telling me stuff about his family. I know he was just making small talk. Also, I forgot to say, but he asked me if I wanted to spend the night with him, and I was just out of a breakup, so I was like, hell yeah. I think I was literally texting my ex on the way there, talking about I'm going out to the Lakers game tomorrow. He was over here like, who is? I'm like, oh, friend, whole time it's the player. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about that. After small talk, he changed the music, and I was like, okay, like, I gotta bust it open now. Sorry to your mind. He was super sweet, super respectful, but one thing I'll say was I really couldn't take it, literally and physically. I'm not the type of girl just to be doing anything with anybody, you feel me? Last time I did something was something with my ex, so it really wasn't that enjoyable.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna call cap. I don't think most of these chicks are out here. I don't think nobody really checking for them like that. I call cap, man. I don't think anybody from the Los Angeles Lakers was checking for this young lady, man. Like, come on, fam. Again, I'm not trying to be funny, but these are NBA players. They can literally pull anybody. And you're telling me, out of the blue, you sent this guy a friend request, or you followed an NBA player. He followed you back the exact same day and inboxed you. What are the chances, man? Yeah, I'm calling cap. I don't think dudes are really, especially NBA players, are checking for chicks that look like this. Like, basic, man. I was trying to hold it in, but I think that this young lady is capping. And let's just say, you know what, let's just for the sake of conversations, let's just say she's not capping. You're telling me you broke up with your ex, but you're still in contact with your ex, like y'all still, you know, having conversations, texting, calling each other or whatever, and you want to say that you are not this type of girl where you just go kick it with somebody. Come on, man. Come on, dog. Like, it's just so many holes in the story. It just doesn't make sense, man. So y'all get over there. Y'all kicking it. And you say, when he changes the music, you already know what time it is. It's time to bust it down for a real one. Ugh. This is, it's nasty, man. The mindset of some of these individuals, they already know what time it is. Like, the dude ain't even really have to do anything. He got you a ticket to the game, which was free, completely free. NBA basketball, they get these tickets for free. So you just wanted one. So you telling me you going for free. You ain't even getting paid for it, man. It's just, you show up just because this guy's status or whatever, because he's on the team. Doubt that he's a starter. But just because he's on the team, you willing to bust it down for a real one. And she lied to her ex and said that deception, man. That's what I'm saying. How in the world can you believe individuals like this that'll sit here and just flat out lie to a person that they was kicking it with, that got their that they gave themselves to, not once, but they probably been in a relationship for I don't know how long. And you mean to tell me you can just flat out just lie to them? Why in the world should we take you serious? Why should we take this entire story serious? And then they want to be, I don't know, TikTok influencers or whatever, and they get out here and they out here just telling, openly just spilling all the beans. Like, there are not too many people on an NBA roster. So if we do the process of elimination and we look at this, okay, let's look at during this time, you know, who's on the NBA roster? Which one of these individuals, how many of these individuals actually have a family? Let's go on to Instagram. How many of these individuals don't have too many pictures of their family on their IG? Come on, man. Come on, you can easily figure it out, man. Y'all got to start being careful, man, about who y'all dealing with. That's why I say, man, especially when you have something. Now, that's a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got a pot to piss in and a window to throw it out of, and you out here just busting these chicks down, it's completely different. You ain't really got too much to lose. But when you sign that NBA contract and you out here moving like this, my G, what you doing, fam? You're risking it all for a basic bust down. Like, she ain't even all that, fam. She's basic. And she out here telling all your doggone business. These dudes, man, Zion, all these NBA players, man, y'all are taking L's left and right. I can't really speak, you know what I'm saying, really talk too much just about the NBA players, because NFL players, y'all set tripping too. Stephon Diggs, you know, wifing up that 304. This is crazy work, man. I'm gonna need for y'all to get together. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Do y'all think that this young lady is telling the truth? And if so, again, just for the sake of conversation, who do y'all think she's talking about? Which one of these NBA players on a LA Lakers roster do you think was checking for this young lady? Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Crazy work.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.